Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to Easy Learning Economics. So today we are going to learn about law of diminishing marginal utility. In this lecture, we will study about the marginal utility. We study about the total utility, assumptions of law of diminishing marginal utility, law of diminishing marginal utility, relation between total utility and marginal utility, exceptions of law of diminishing marginal utility, practical importance of law of diminishing marginal utility. So these are the contents for today's lecture. So we are starting with marginal and total utility as per our contents. That what is marginal utility? So the marginal utility means the additional. Whenever the word marginal is used, remember that means additional. So the marginal means additional or change. So the marginal utility is the change in total utility by consuming one additional unit of output. The formula for calculating the marginal utility is the change in total utility divided by change in Q, where delta represent change. We can calculate the marginal utility like this: the present total utility minus preceding or former total utility. So this is all about the marginal utility. So before to learn about the law of diminishing marginal utility, it is necessary to understand now the total utility. So this is the base. Total utility is the aggregate utility or overall satisfaction that consumer acquire by consuming all units of commodity. So we may rewrite this like this: the total utility is equal to the marginal utility of from first unit plus the marginal utility from the second unit and marginal utility from third unit, and so on. So now we are talking about the assumptions on the basis of which this law functions. That law of diminishing marginal utility will functions. This law assumes that consumer is rational, having single want to satisfy by getting maximum satisfaction by his behavior, and the behavior of consumer does not change. Now, there is no gap during consumption, and the suitable homogeneous units are consumed, and nature of commodity does not change. The cardinal approach is used. The consumer has fixed limited income. The taste and preferences of consumer does not change. These are the assumptions on the basis of which the law of diminishing marginal utility functions. So now we are going to discuss about the law of diminishing marginal utility. This law was developed by Karl Menger, who was born in 1840 and passed away in 1921, and Alfred Marshall objected or criticized against the universal availability of this law. This law states that they told that additional benefit declines with increase in stock, or in case of free good, the consumer continues its consumption until additional unit provide him positive marginal utility. So that imagine that you are in a desert and it is a mid-noon and you are very thirsty. How much you will be willing to pay for a bottle of water? So the marginal utility means the utility from additional bottle of water. As the quantity increases, the additional good is lesser utility, or the additional goods gives lesser utility, lesser return in terms of value. This is the principle of law of diminishing marginal utility. How can we define the law of diminishing marginal utility? We can say that every successive unit of commodity gives marginal utility with diminishing rate, while the total utility increases with decreasing rate, provided that other things remain the same. What are those things which must remain same? These are the assumptions which already have discussed before to start the definition. We are taking a table. Table shows here the schedule. By eating the first banana, the total utility of the consumer is 10 and the marginal utility is 10. And by eating the second unit of banana, the consumer gets total utility 16, because in the initially the consumer has a great appetite, or his want was urgent, and he feels great satisfaction from the first unit of consumption. So by eating third unit, the total utility is 20, and 4 23, 5 25, and by eating 6 banana consumer gets 26 total utility, and by eating 7 the gets total utility, that is also 26. It means the total utility increases with decreasing tendency, and the marginal utility in the first unit is 10, and second the marginal utility is 6. This is 4 3 2. So by deducting the 20 minus 16, it's a 4. As we have known that the marginal utility can be calculated by the total present utility minus preceding utility. So this is the total utility 26, and the preceding utility is 25 here. So the marginal utility is here, that is 1. So this is telling about the marginal utility. By consuming the 7th unit, the consumer total utility is maximum and the marginal utility becomes 0. Remember it, when the total utility is maximum, the marginal utility becomes 0. It means that the consumer is now fully satisfied from the use of the bananas. By eating the other bananas, the consumer will lose the level of satisfaction what he has gained from the consumption of the commodities. Initially he was at 26. Now by eating the 8th banana, the total utility became 25 and the marginal utility became -1. It means negative utility. And though we can convert this table into a graph like that the on x-axis that the units of the banana have been shown, whereas on y-axis that the marginal utility of the consumer is shown. We may convert this table into graph like this, that this graph shows the same thing which the table indicates. As we know that the economic relations can be explained through the graphs and tables. So by eating the first banana, the consumer total utility is 10 and marginal utility is 10. By eating the second banana, the consumer marginal utility became 6. By eating the third banana, consumer marginal utility decreases from 6 to 4, that is 4. And by eating the fifth banana, the consumer marginal utility is 2, and the consumer by eating the sixth banana marginal utility is 1, and by eating the 7th banana the marginal utility is 0. Here you can see by eating the 7th banana the total utility is maximum, that is 26, and by eating the 8th banana the marginal utility became negative, which is shown below the x-axis. It means that is a -1, which shows -1, that is this thing you can see here. The marginal utility is decreasing, or it's a downward curve, downward falling curve, because the marginal utility decreases by consuming the additional unit of the commodity, whereas the total utility in red dots and line in the above the marginal utility here show, you can see here this is the total utility, and the 4, 2, 4, 6, these are the units of consumption, and along with this the total utility has been shown. So you can see here that the total utility is increases with decreasing tendency. So this is the total utility, or we may calculate the total utility by summing up the marginal utility. Now we are talking about the relation between total utility and marginal utility. So what is the relationship between marginal utility and total utility? When, as we learned here, that when marginal utility is positive, the total utility increases. When the marginal utility is 0, the total utility is maximum. When marginal utility is maximum, the total utility decreases. This is the major relationship between total utility and marginal utility. So now we are going to discuss about the exceptions of the law of diminishing marginal utility. Exceptions tells about that when this law fails. So the law of diminishing marginal utility fails to operate and does not hold true in the following: because the marginal utility increases rather to decrease with increased acquisition of these goods. In case of wealth, because the marginal utility for wealth does not decrease but increase, because people wish to have more money and wealth. And in case of knowledge, this law of diminishing marginal utility does not function, because person who gets knowledge, his desire or his curiosity for getting knowledge increases. So this law fails to operate. In case of hobbies or collecting antiques or the rare items, the law of diminishing marginal utility does not operate. Or in case of intoxication or the use of drugs, this law fails to operate. Excessive use of the products affects the utility to enhance rather to decrease. So these are the exceptions under which the law of diminishing marginal utility fails to operate. So we are discussing about the practical importance of law of diminishing marginal utility. How does this law helps in our daily life? It guides the government in making tax policy. Higher tax is imposed on rich people and lower on poor, which in turn helps in reducing the unequal distribution of wealth. This law helps to consumer at the time of purchasing, because at the time of purchasing, consumers compares the utility to be gained out of from that consumption and the amount paid by the consumer. So this law also helps if the marginal utility is high, the consumer is willing to pay the more for that commodity. If marginal utility is zero, consumer may drop the idea of purchasing. This law is based for various economic concepts like law of demand, law of consumption, and consumer surplus. And it guides the producer to determine price. The product having the more marginal utility, producer can decide to charge a high price. So it also guides the producer to determine price. So this law is very important. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, you may comment. Or if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon.